Engulfed in the realm of clinical pharmacology, we find ourselves intrigued by the art of maintenance fluid calculations. A critical skill, its mastery can mean the difference between health and harm. Think of the human body as a vessel that demands a certain volume of fluid to function optimally. Now, how do we determine this precise volume? Enter maintenance fluid calculations. They're based on the 4-20-40 rule, a rule as elegant as it is simple. For the first 10 kilograms of body weight, we prescribe 4 milliliters of fluid per kilogram per hour. For the next 10 kilograms, we prescribe 2 milliliters, and for the weight exceeding 20 kilograms, it's 1 milliliter. But what happens when the body weight is more than 100 kilograms? Well, we cap our calculations at 100 kilograms. Exceeding this might lead to fluid overload, a situation we strive to avoid. Remember, these calculations serve as a guide, not a rigid rule. Each patient is unique and their fluid needs may differ. Our goal is to provide optimal care, tailored to each individual's needs. In the fascinating world of clinical pharmacology, knowledge is power and precision is key. So keep learning, keep exploring, and remember, the art of maintenance fluid calculations is in your hands.